Hi guys, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to an updated version of my baby / nursery room storage. So I posted a video just like this just over 1 year ago, and it has become one of the most popular videos on my channel, and I filmed that video before my little baby Corey was born. So I thought it would be interesting to do an updated version of that video now that he's in his own nursery room, now that he's 1 year old, and to see how we're organizing the room now and if those storage solutions are still working for us, and just to give you guys some ideas. I know a lot of people are doing some like spring summer cleaning / organizing, decluttering, all of that, and getting your nursery rooms ready to go. So I hope this video helps you and gives you guys some good ideas. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay, let's get into the video. So I'll start by giving you guys a quick overview of the nursery. This is the chest from Macy's that I mentioned. That's his closet, some little shelves over there. This chair is from Pottery Barn, as is that beanbag and his crib. And then on the wall we just did some star decals, which I love. This little toy house from IKEA, his little ball pit, and then this is the other kind of storage toy area I'll mention, which is this IKEA collapse system. So I'll start with the dresser. So right next to the dresser is our diaper genie. I love this one. We've had it since my first child, so about 3.5 years now. Then this little bin from IKEA, I keep dirty clothes that I throw in here, as well as some books, because when I'm giving Corey a diaper change, sometimes I'll just give him a book to hold. By the way, the changing topper is being washed right now. And then this little star box, I don't think has anything in it, but maybe I'll find some knickknacks to put in there. Just thought it was cute. Okay, so this is his first drawer of pajamas. These are sets of pajamas, and these are onesie kind of zip pajamas, so that's what we're wearing a lot of in quarantine. Then in this drawer is pants and shorts. This row is pants, this row is shorts, and these are kind of onesies with shorts on them for the summer. Then this drawer is bathing suits and summer things like hats and sunglasses, that sort of thing in here. That drawer is mostly empty, as you can tell. Then this drawer is all the diaper stuff. Diapers, wipes, and the diaper genie refills are all in there. Then in this drawer is his t-shirts, short sleeves, more short sleeves, long sleeves, and sweaters, all in that drawer. Then this drawer is diapers and socks, so I have the diapers easily accessible when I'm changing him, socks in here, and just like mittens and washcloths in there. And then this last drawer is like medical, kind of stuff, teething stuff, Tylenol, thermometer, refills for the diaper genie, all those kind of things are in here. And then up on the topper, I keep wipes, and in this little bin, creams and that sort of thing, lotions, all that kind of stuff. And then here, just a few soft, cuddly toys. This, by the way, is from his first birthday. Oh my goodness. Okay, then above the dresser, there used to be this cutout in the wall. I have no idea why the original builders put it there, but my husband actually created these doors for it, which is really nice. So it's actually a huge amount of storage that we don't really need, but in it I just keep some nursery artwork from my older son's nursery, the pack and play for travel. This is just an empty like travel bag. These are extra shoes that Corey's not yet grown into for my older son. And then this bin is where I put all the clothes that he grows out of or that he hasn't grown into just yet. So it's right there ready to go. So as I'm like, if something is too big or too small, I just throw it in there, and then it's ready to go into our basement for long-term storage. Okay, so in the closet, we also keep it pretty minimal. Up top here is winter boots and rain boots. I just have a few hanging clothes for him. We're about to wear this on a photo shoot. So not too much, jackets and nicer shirts, that kind of thing. I rarely hang clothes for my kids because it just doesn't need to be hung and it takes up so much time. The rest of the closet is pretty much empty. There's some extra books back there that he's not yet ready for. Two little toys, and that's basically it. Up there is actually gifts for friends' birthdays. I keep them over there, so I always have something if I need to give a gift that I haven't prepared for. But other than that, the closet's pretty much empty. Then these shelves are mostly just decorative, but sometimes we'll read the books up there too. This, by the way, I get asked about this a lot. This is from Corey's hospital blanket. It got made into a little stuffed animal. It's so cute. Okay, and then moving along, the last sort of storage space I wanted to share is our IKEA collect system. This is what it looks like. These two shelves, I keep books, as well as that one. These drawers are just random little toys that he likes and can play with. There's no sort of rhyme or reason to the storage. I guess this one has more like noisier kind of plasticky toys. This is our Grimm's rainbow that he got for his birthday. I just love this. It's a really like open-ended, imaginative toy. This is another one of our favorites, the Hoppe snail and the Tuco blocks. These are magnetic, so those are really fun. These are our shape sorters in here. So this is another one of his favorites he got for his birthday. And then this Hoppe one. This is a puzzle. It doesn't really belong in there. But that's how I organize the toys in his room. We're usually playing in his room in the morning when he first wakes up or at night before bed. So I really tried to keep the toys kind of quiet in here and let him play a little quietly and more like focused toys for him rather than some of the other ones we have around the house that him and his brother share. His older brother's 3.5. Oh, and the last little spot for toys I forgot is just this bin. This is from my first years, and these are mostly just like cuddly toys in here. I think there's also some baby kind of soft books and that sort of thing in here. So he can grab and access any of the toys in there that he wants, as well as the other spots in the room he can get to himself. So that is my updated nursery storage and organization video. I hope you guys liked it and found some ideas if you're decorating a nursery or organizing your kids' toys and stuff like that. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!